Think going electric means spending a fortune. Think again. The best small electric cars are not only affordable to buy, but they're also incredibly cheap to run. If you can charge at home or work, you'll save a ton on running costs. And don't let the size fool you. These cars still offer plenty of space for your family and luggage, proving that smaller doesn't mean less. Renault 552, with a new Renault 5, is a perfect blend of nostalgia and modern tech. It's a small electric car that's setting a whole new standard, offering great features without breaking the bank. The interior tech feels top-notch, with 10.3 and 10.1 in screens for the instruments and infotainment. And it even keeps physical controls for the aircon, making it way easier to use than some rivals. With a 52 kilowatt-hours battery, you can drive up to 253 miles on a single charge, which is more than enough for most daily needs. And when it's time to recharge, it's super fast with 100 kilowatts charging, getting you from 15% to 80% in just 30 minutes. Plus, it's priced competitively, showing that going electric doesn't have to cost a fortune. Hyundai, Inster looking for a small electric car with a bit of SUV flair? Check out the Hyundai Instrit. Combines that tough, traditional SUV look with the low running costs of an electric car. The Inster offers up to 229 miles on the long-range model, beating out rivals like the Dacia Spring and Fiat 500e. Plus, it's got a smooth, comfy ride with great steering, perfect for navigating the city. Inside, you get plenty of space with adjustable rear seats for extra legroom and a surprising amount of luggage room compared to some competitors. And the best part, starting prices are lower than some rivals, making it a smart, budget-friendly choice. Dacia Spring. Dacia Spring has finally made its way to the UK, and it's here to shake up the electric car market with its unbeatable price of just £14,995. This compact city car comes with a 44 bhp motor, making it perfect for short trips around town. It's got a 26.8 kilowatt-hours battery that offers up to 140 miles of range, and the higher spec versions even boost the power to 64 bhp. But while the Dacia Spring is incredibly affordable, it's not without its downsides. Charging speeds are on the slower side, and the overall driving experience and build quality fall short of expectations. Still, at this price point, it's a great option for city dwellers looking to go electric on a budget. Leapmotor T03A new player is entering the European EV market. Meet the Leapmotor T03, a budget-friendly electric car that's making waves with its impressive features and solid build quality. With a 37.3 kilowatt-hours battery, it offers a 165-mile range, more than enough for city driving. It's powered by a 93 bhp motor, making it zippier than rivals like the Dacia Spring. Plus, with 5 doors and a surprisingly roomy interior, it's practical for everyday use. Of course, the range is a bit limited and the warranty isn't the longest, but for an affordable, well-built EV, the Leapmotor T03 is definitely worth a look. Fiat Grande Panda Electric. Fiat is back with a bang. The all-new Grande Panda is here, bringing bold design, smart tech, and an affordable price tag, starting at just £20,975. It's the cheapest in its class, but you still get plenty of features, including a touchscreen infotainment system and a built-in charging cable. With a 199-mile range, it's perfect for city life and beyond. It's based on Fiat's new smart car platform, so crash test results are still unknown. But what we do know, this stylish, fun-to-drive EV is shaking up the market. Looking for a budget-friendly electric car with personality? The Grande Panda might just be your perfect match. Citroën EC3, looking for an affordable electric car that doesn't compromise on comfort? Meet the all-new Citroën EC3 with a 199-mile range, 100 kilowatts fast charging, and sit-round signature plush suspension. This EV is built for smooth, stress-free driving. It's got SUV-inspired styling, spacious interiors, and all the tech you need without the hefty price tag, starting at just £21,990. The EC3 proves that going electric doesn't have to break the bank. Stylish, comfy, and budget-friendly would you take one for a spin? Fiat 500 electrics smell stylish and packed with personality. The Fiat 500 Electric is a city car with serious charm. With its compact size and zippy handling, it's perfect for urban adventures. Choose between a 24 kilowatt-hours battery with 118 miles of range or upgrade to the 42 kilowatt-hours version for a 199-mile. Drive just. Be sure to plan your charging stops. Packed with tech and Italian flair, it's fun to drive, but best suited for 2 passengers rather than a full house. Starting at 24,995 pounds, it's a small EV with a big personality. Would you take this electric icon for a spin? BYD Dolphiny, the BYD Dolphina, budget-friendly electric hatchback that delivers more than you'd expect. With spacious seating for 4 adults and a 345-liter trunk, it's a practical EV for everyday life. Choose between a 45 kilowatt-hours battery with 211 miles of range or the 60 kilowatt-hours version that takes you up to 265 miles plus. With 201 bhp, it can hit 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 6.7 seconds. Inside, you'll find a quirky, high-tech cabin, including an infotainment screen that rotates between portrait and landscape mode. Starting at 26,140 pounds, the Dolphin is redefining affordable electric driving. Would this be your next EV?